took a trip downstate to Woodstock, New York. And this is my friend Dale. Couldn't find the place because there's no house number, but there it is, 81. Here's the Airbnb. It's a nice old house. It gives me some kind of horror vibes, and I would love to do a horror movie here, or at least that's the first thing that popped in my head. There was a nice little stream right by the house, so you can go back there and enjoy nature. Here's the inside of the house. It looked old and winding staircase. I love the look of it, by the way. I like this old, kind of almost like, it reminds me of a haunted house. Although I don't think it was haunted. Nothing spooky happened while I was there. And here's some wildlife. Mama deer with the baby deer. And we saw them when we were just walking into town. Just a short little walk from the Airbnb to the small little village. We even got a cemetery. I hear people are dying to get in here. And here's the film festival, Woodstock Film Festival. Garden Cafe. This is a all-vegan cafe. Let's go inside. I got a ginger beer. Now, we were waiting for a while, and they actually realized they never even put our order in, and so they offered us some free cornbread, and it was really good. We weren't mad or anything. There's a quesadilla, enchilada, some kale, and some apple chips. And the enchilada was really good, by the way. We got a couple salads. I got the Caesar salad, croutons. Caesar salad is for me like pizza. I like to get pizza wherever I go. I also like to get a Caesar salad. That's the tofu satay. I'm nodding my head in approval. Everything here was really good. Of course, this gas station immediately made me think of a zombie apocalypse, so I had to get a video of it. And here's a little kitty. People probably thought I was crazy just sitting there filming this gas station here for about 5 minutes, but hey, it looked cool. Good night. And on the walk home, we saw, I don't know if this is the same deer or a different one, but very friendly deer, not at all bothered by people being near it. Back to the house, the haunted house. It wasn't really haunted. It might have been. The next morning, we walked into town to get one of those stuffed bagels. But we went to Bread Alone first. Bread Alone. Check this place out. Look at those baguettes. I wanted one of those, but we were on a mission for something else. This is their vegan chocolate pound cake. It looks pretty good.
We got a poppy seed bagel with some guac, cucumbers, beets, and sprouts. It's pretty good.
Vegan hot fudge, vegan peanut butter, sauce, pistachio cream, different vegan sauces. I'm really focused on the hot fudge because you don't normally see vegan. It looks like it says Coops. I'm not really sure though. It could be Dupes. I don't know. I haven't tried this. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it. This is what's coming home with me. And then just a block away, we went to Yum Yum Noodles. Got the dumplings. Here they are with some sauce. Yeah, these were okay. This is a place that has vegan options. Not everything is vegan. Here is the tofu noodle bowl. I took the mushrooms out of there. And this is the bibimbap and a banh mi. These are the vegan options that I ate there, and it was okay, I guess. We've got these cookies from Sweet Marisa's, and I have a s'mores cookie here. The white chocolate chunk with almonds. I haven't had one of these in a very long time. It's very good. I can taste the chocolate, a hint of salt. Let's move over to the s'mores. I gotta take a big bite out of there to get all of it. I got the marshmallow cookie. Kingston, New York. This is good. And then we have like the cake. It's like a cake cupcake, but it's like more of a cake than a cupcake. And then this is like a ravioli. It's like a sweet ravioli. So, Kingston, New York. All right, I'm back in Woodstock, going back into town here, and walked down here yesterday to this bagel shop that I saw that they have stuffed bagels, breakfast bagels, like stuffed sausage and egg and cheese, which they have a vegan version of that. And I went in there yesterday before noon, and that was the only thing they had vegan, and they were out. So I'm going back again today. Nice little town here. Small town. We got a nice art gallery right here. And apparently there's a lot of bears here. The rare bear. They told us at the Airbnb that there's a lot of bears here, so don't bring any food out and leave it out because there's lots. Right here. Tinker Taco. They got some vegan stuff there. Right there. Moonrise Bagels. This is it. Let's hope they have something. All right, I guess this was not meant to be. They're closed. We never got the bagel. No. But this is what it looks like. They have a vegan version of this. Stuffed bagel. Made this walk today just to come here too. Wow. All right, apparently they're closed today and tomorrow, and we're leaving tomorrow, so we're not gonna be able to try them. Bummer. You got the town hall over here.
All right, it is high humidity, very hot out today. We just found, we Googled, and there's another spot around here. It's pretty far though. And they have apparently tofu scramble. Let's hope they're open. Then there's another place, Bread Alone, that has some baguette. Went to yesterday. Maybe grab some baguette and tofu scramble. Boom. We made it. Narnia. We did it. Oh, and then there's a dinosaur over here. We got Mr. Brontosaurus. Tinker Street Cinema. Oh, nice. What's playing? A44? No? Here's destination, Alba's Kitchen, delicious taste. Oh, let's go check it out. It's open. We got it. Tofu scramble. I got olive sourdough from Bread Alone. It looks amazing. Ooh. All right, this is the tofu scramble. It looks like it has some potatoes in it. This whole thing was $16. Let's try a piece of bread with it. Look at that bread. I wish I had some vegan butter or something. Nice and fresh. Nice day out here. It's still hot. It's all right. I would spice it up a little more. Maybe some hot sauce. You've got the wrong number.
I took a drive into New Paltz to go to Lagusta's Luscious Chocolate. You know I love chocolate. Look at all this. Look how nice they look. Look at those peanut butter cups. Well, I did try a peanut butter cup and it was really good. And then the Bear Cantina for dinner. We had some Mexican. I got the vegan burrito. Nice little atmosphere right by the creek. Chips and salsa. The salsa was super good. And here's my burrito with tofu, rice, beans. There's the bear outside. The Bear Cantina. Oh, a skeleton. Let me grab my camera. And then the next day I got this bagel and cream cheese was really good. Scallion cream cheese. It's fancy. Really good, really good. And then I had to go hang out with this Betty the Yeti at this antique shop. And I went down memory lane here because the nostalgia. I mean, look at all this. Look at all these baseball cards, and you know, they had Batman cards, and then all these old toys. And I just wanted to grab everything, but they were expensive. E.T. I mean, I would have grabbed that, but it was like $100. But it was nice to see everything, for sure. Friday the 13th, and then Michael Myers. And all things come to an end, so we're headed back home to Syracuse, New York. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and of course I'm going to mention my pro-vegan feature film, A44. It was 17 years ago. I had a dream, born on the back roads of upstate New York, and I poured blood, sweat, and tears into this one. Years of work, passion for horror, and a love for veganism. Now, I bring you A44, filmed on a tiny shoestring budget in the place I call home. It's a story of survival, fear, and hope. And after all these years, it's finally out. And you can stream it now for free on Tubi. And this one's for my Indy, my soul dog, who was with me every step of the way.